Our mission is to be a provider that brings back the personal touch with our customers. We will build a relationship that will last a lifetime once you see our quality work. We're passionate about delivering an exceptional experience. When you hire us, you're hiring a team of professionals who are trained and skilled to deliver lasting value to your home. As a locally owned and operated business, we feel invested in our clients and constantly strive for customer satisfaction. We won't leave until the job is done right. Call or visit our website. And you can follow us at TikTok, Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. You can also subscribe our channel, follow us for more. When you choose MI Homesiding, you get full and honest transparency. A company that chooses you over their bottom line. Honest recommendations, affordable alternative solutions. Personal that take care of you like family.
If you have roofing, siding, or other surfaces that need a powerful cleansing that is also gentle, our Knoxville Power Wash specialists can provide the state-of-the-art soft washing you need for effective, lasting results. If you need to get stains out of concrete, brick, or other such materials, MI Homesiding LLC of Knoxville can supply the power washing you need. At MI Homesiding of Knoxville, we make your home's exterior look and shine like new.